Hey, spin this over for me, please. This push start. Come on, all right. Oh, nothing. I know the fuel pump is unplugged, but there's still some in the rail. It don't matter. I get nothing out of one. The gauge didn't even freaking move. It ought to be drained out now. Do it again. That's not. All right, let me go over one. Ain't nothing out of number one. Hold on, don't go away. Hold on. Let me go over to number 5. It may need a motor. All right, go ahead now. Yeah, it ain't my gauge. I got some in 5. Number 1 totally dead. All right, I'm done. I really need to remove this valve cover because that camshaft can be broken.
Yeah.
She snapped in half.
Either it can be broken or just the lobes are worn completely out.
Rocker arm broken and This ain't that hard to do. Let me yank this plenum off in this valve cover. Alright guys, I'm about to bring top dead center up just to verify the car is in time. So let me grab my crank. I'm gonna rotate this till I get top dead center out. Alright, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, here we are. Y'all saw what you saw earlier, what I'm up against, and here's where I'm at. I've actually done way too much more than I was supposed to do. But the suspiciousness was killing me, okay? Now, I'm going to stop here, guys. Remember last time y'all saw me, I was saying I'm going to bring top dead center up and see if my cam phasers timing marks are on point. And it is, okay? Now, let me back up a little bit. I got low compression in 1. Y'all saw the compression reason? If not, back the video or reverse the video. Rewind the video so you can see. So I was suspecting maybe my gauge is fault. So I stuck it in 5 and I got pulse in my gauge. So that tells me cylinder 1 is completely dead. I had nothing on the reading. Now, what are you supposed to do at that point? Supposed to find out why you don't have any compression. Now me, I was suspecting it's something simple, maybe a rocker arm broke or cam shaft cracked in half. I've seen these cracked in half. I just wanted to know right now, when in fact I should have stopped right then because I had exceeded my 1 hour diagnostic time. I should have stopped and then went and tried to sell teardown time. Okay, teardown time is when you go into the engine to find out why the internal problems. This is internal based off my compression reading of 0. Yes, so I took it upon myself to partially tear it down to get the valve cover off. Now I don't visually see anything out of the ordinary, so it's deeper than this. Now I have no choice but to stop because the customer may want their car back. Right now, they still have a chance to say, don't do nothing, just I'll come get it. Okay, I would literally have to put it back together, but if they authorize teardown time, I now will have to remove the cylinder head to get a look at the pistons, to get a look at the engine, guys. I need to get inside. That's what teardown time is for. Who knows what I'll find once this cylinder head is removed. All right, now it depends on how far you go. If you find what you needed to see without removing the head, so be it. All right, but this is not the case. I have the valve cover off. Not even the cam lobes are intact. I don't even have a broken rocker arm. The cylinder one I'm focusing in on, so it could be burnt valve. I mean, you can do a leak down test. I don't have my leak down tester with me, but I'm too far committed at this point anyway. So I'm gonna ask for turnaround time. If they say no, I got to put all this back together for 1 hour. Like I said, I only get 1 hour to find out what's wrong with the car. But I'm gonna stop here, guys. So I hope y'all got something diagnostic wise out of this small little clip. Depending on if they say yay or nay, I'll fire the camera up. Ooh, righty, guys. Y'all remember this charger? Okay, yeah, I had to push it outside, guys. I need my stall. In fact, let me grab all my tools out of here because I don't know what's gonna be the final tally. A lot of guys want to know what happened, what you gonna do, what you gonna do. It's not my call, guys. From what I went too far from the beginning, guys. Remember, like I said, teardown time. All right, it's in the hands of the adjusters now. I think the adjuster's gonna come out, and then they're gonna basically take over diagnostics. Okay, so my boss want an engine. All right, he don't really want to fool with cylinder heads and all that. It can be fixed, but you know how managers are. Y'all know how managers are. So I have no update, guys. That's all I can tell you. I'm just gonna set that right there. Let me grab my tools that I used to run the compression test. Y'all saw that. I had 0 compression in cylinder 1. I had to push this car outside because it's holding up my stall. So we wait. We play the waiting game. All right. God, if they're gonna come toward the way, I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. Can it be fixed? Yes, man. But you know how these places are, man. Some of these places, nothing was obvious, like a broken rock arm. Yeah, I read the comments. A lot of you guys want to know was the valves bent or was the seats. I don't know until I get the valve head off. I took it upon myself to take the valve covers off, but yeah, I need to get the head off. So I had to push this car outside. All right, let me cover all this up. Adjuster gonna come out, look at it, and then he gonna say yay or nay for an engine. My boss want an engine. I gotta do what I'm told. Can it be fixed again? Yes, it can. So we're gonna hide this thing right here for now. I'm committed. So if they say put it back together, I have to because I went on my own. I went rogue. But yeah, we're gonna leave it right there, guys. That's the only update I got for y'all. So stay tuned.